Yeah, okay, so to do the till, so this is the total for the till every day is 111.54 as of right now. Unless they change it, then this is what needs to be in the box every day, okay? So you will get these sheets, which looks like that. They're in the same jour as the till, okay? You will fill this out every day. So it'll be done in the morning is typically when they like it done, and then at night before you close. So that total should be on this paper every day. Unless Doc or Lauren pulls money out, then they need to let you know, because then it's going to be off. Okay? So you'll put your name right here where it says employee. And then you'll put today's date. Okay, and then you'll go ahead and start, sorry, it's backwards for me, that's okay. So where it says hundreds, obviously we have no hundreds in the till, so we'll put a 0.
0.
Mm-hmm. And then where it says amount, you can put 0 as well, because there's 0 amount, okay? And then you go on to the next one. As you see, once again, we have no 50s in there, okay? So we are going to put 0. Okay, and then the next one it asks for 20s, okay? So we have no 20s. As of this morning, we have none in here, so we're going to put 0. And I don't know if you noticed where it says AM and PM at the top.
Right.
So right now that is the AM, and then tonight will be the PM, so you'll fill that section out, okay? All right, so it's asking for 10s next. So we do have that in here, so go ahead and open it and just count how many are in there. You can just leave that up if you want. Okay.
20.
Okay.
2.
So we'll go ahead and close that. So it's asking number of bills, so we'll put 2. And then of course on the other side where we were putting 0, the amount, so that'll be 20 of course. Okay. And then the next one is asking for 5s. So we'll come over here and we'll count the 5s. We'll do the same exact thing.
1, 2, 3, 8.
Okay, so you'll go ahead and put 8 right there. And then how much is
40.
it? Okay. And then 2s. Do we have any 2s in here? Nope, no 2s. So we're going to place a 0. Okay, and then it's asking for 1s. We do have some 1s in there. And then we'll count the 1s. And of course that one, since it's 1s, it'll be the same number on each side.
Right.
Yeah. And I know sometimes they get, well, I'll wait till you're done.
$41.
Okay. And so we'll write that on there. Okay. And then it's going to go down. Basically on here, we're going to total the amount of dollars here. So we're going to add the 20, the 40, and the 41. So it's 80.
100.
Yeah, and then you have the 1.
100.
So you'll add those and make sure it's correct. So what I would do is go to your computer and then use a calculator just to make sure, because we always down here, over 1, that way, at the bottom right here.
Oh,
Yeah.
right here.
And then it'll come over here. So I just add them. I always do that just to double check myself, because if you're off, then your till's going to be off.
20
Plus 40
plus 40
plus 41.
plus
So it should
41.
be the 101. Okay.
Okay.
So we can confirm that. So we're going to go ahead and write that right here, because that's the total of dollars that we have. Okay.
101.
And then it's going to move down here. As you see, it says dollar coins. We don't have dollar coins in here. Okay. So we're going to put 0 on there. It's going to be the same thing with halves. We don't have halves either. So we're going to put 0. Okay. Now the next thing it's asking for is quarters. So we're going to go through here. We have some quarters. So you'll count on all the quarters. And you'll put how many there are and the total dollar amount.
2, 3, 4, 5.
So $5.25. So I'll write that down on the other side. $5.25. Okay, and so how many is that? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So it's 21 quarters. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put those back in the box there. Perfect. Okay, so it's asking for dimes next. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the dimes because we have dimes.
$3.20.
Okay. I'll record that. And then how many?
31, 32.
Okay, let me go ahead and write that down. All right, and we'll go ahead and pick those up, put them back in here. And that happens too, so just make sure
Yeah.
like, you keep an eye on it. 'Cause I've done it before too, but then you'll be short, you know.
Yes.
Okay, so the paper is asking just for recording. We do the nickels, and we do have nickels in there, so we'll do the same thing. And like I said, this will be done morning before patients get here, and then after patients are gone and everybody's checked out for the day.
$1.60.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and record that there. And then you'll record how many there are.
$20.
Okay. And then if you need to go back and double count, do that.
20, 22, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 32.
Okay, so we'll put all those back up. And sometimes I'll do that. I'll kind of like guess. I'm like, okay, no, don't. Just count them all.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter how long it takes you to do that. Just make sure you have the right numbers. Like I said, your till will be off if not.
Because I was like, I'm not sure if that's right. So I'm going to
Yeah.
count them.
Yeah, there's no rush to count the till. Okay, and then what's last is pennies. So we'll go in here and get our pennies. Of course, that one will be the same on each side. That's it.
$48.
Okay. I'll write that down on each side. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to add all the coins up. Okay, so which is going to be from here down. So 525, 320, 160, and then 48 cents. Okay, so that's 10.53. So we're gonna write that right here. Winning Smiles Family Dentistry. This is Savannah. How may I help you? Hi, how are you? You don't need to turn it off. Okay, let me go ahead and take a look here so we can get you scheduled. Okay, I have the 13th, which is Tuesday. I can do 11:30. Does that work for you? All right, perfect. We'll see you then, okay? All right, thank you. Bye-bye. So let me do this before I forget. And then I need to put that in the book, but we'll finish this up. Okay, so what we'll do, that's okay. Push it, the black bin. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna add all these up. So you got 10.53, so you place that there. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to add the 101 and the $10.53 together. Okay, so we get 111.53, which is right there, and that's 111.54, so it's a penny off. So either you dropped one or miscounted. So what you want to do is make sure that you counted correctly because you're a penny off somewhere. And it's probably in that pile. So just recount it again. You still got 48? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put these in again. So we'll put the 101 in again. Okay, actually what we'll do is we'll go here and maybe we missed something here. So we'll put $5.25.
25.
Okay, plus $3, is that 20 cents right here?
Yes.
Okay, $3.20 plus $1.60 plus 0.48. Okay, 10.53, so that's correct. So we're gonna check our math again, and we're gonna do 10.53 and just hit. That's okay. 101 plus 10.53. Okay, so we're getting 11.53. That says 11.54. So that means whoever counted this before is a penny off. Okay, so we'll bring that to Lauren's attention. That way it can be this number here because we've already double checked everything. Okay, so that's how you do the till.